Alright guys, well this is my 2015 Mustang GT with a performance pack. Also it's premium with heated seats and cooled seats. It's been pretty cool lately. I've been riding around and feeling it before I get a tune. I'm also taking it to XXX here locally in Pensacola, Florida. And well, hopefully this tune goes right, because you know my throttle response is just stupid laggy. I really hate my throttle response. The throttle response is just super slow. Other than that, I really do love the vehicle. All I got is an air raid intake. You know, it's a stock box and stuff, so I don't know if I'm going to change that or not. But other than that, I really do enjoy this car a lot. It's the most amazing car I've ever driven, really, you know, because not really into all that luxury car stuff. But I got my exhaust on like in that last video. I apologize that I recorded in SD recording and this one's HD now, so sounds a lot better, and I'm gonna give you guys a couple revs and stuff like that. So I apologize for the last video, but hopefully after the tune we'll get better throttle response, and well,